Why you're exhausted, the cellular energy crisis nobody's talking about. Picture this, you wake up tired, drag yourself through the day, crash at 3 p.m. Sound familiar? What if I told you this exhaustion epidemic isn't normal, that your great-grandparents had more energy at 70 than you do at 30? Here's the truth that will change everything. Your cells are literally starving for energy, not calories, energy. See, every cell in your body is like a tiny power plant. Inside each one, there are these incredible structures called mitochondria. They take the food you eat and oxygen you breathe and turn it into ATP, cellular energy. When this system works, you feel alive, warm, vibrant. When it breaks down, you feel exactly how you feel right now. But here's where it gets wild. Modern life has systematically destroyed our cellular power plants, and I'm about to show you exactly how. First, let's talk about the biggest energy killer, polyunsaturated fats. These are your vegetable oils, canola, soybean, sunflower. We've been told they're healthy, heart protective, essential. They're not. They're metabolic poison. Here's what happens. These unstable fats get incorporated into your cell membranes. But unlike saturated fats, butter, coconut oil, they oxidize. They go rancid, inside your body. Imagine trying to run a Ferrari on dirty oil. That's what PUFAs do to your mitochondria. They gum up the works, block energy production, force your cells to ferment sugar like cancer cells instead of burning it cleanly. Dr. Ray Peat discovered this decades ago. He showed that animals fed coconut oil lived longer, had more energy, and better thyroid function than those fed corn oil. The difference? Saturated fats protect mitochondria. PUFAs destroy them. But it gets worse. When your cells can't make energy efficiently, your body panics. It releases stress hormones, cortisol, adrenaline. These hormones break down your own tissue to keep you alive. You're literally eating yourself to survive. No wonder you're exhausted. Now the second energy killer, chronic undereating, especially carbs. I know, carbs are the devil, right? Wrong. Your brain alone needs 120 grams of glucose daily just to function. Deprive it, and guess what happens? More stress hormones. Your body breaks down muscle to make glucose. Your thyroid, the master controller of metabolism, slows to a crawl. Your temperature drops. You feel cold, tired, depressed. This is why every traditional culture on Earth ate carbohydrates: fruit, honey, milk, potatoes. They understood something we've forgotten. Glucose is your cell's preferred fuel. The Hadza of Tanzania get 15% of their calories from raw honey. The Kitavans eat 70% carbohydrates. No diabetes, no obesity, endless energy. The third killer, mineral depletion, specifically magnesium, sodium, and calcium. Your cells need minerals to make energy. Magnesium alone is required for over 300 enzymatic reactions. Without it, ATP can't even form. But modern farming has depleted our soils. Stress burns through minerals. And we're told to avoid salt, the very mineral that helps our cells hold energy. Our ancestors ate nose to tail, organ meats, bone broths, seafood. They got minerals we can't even pronounce. We eat muscle meat and lettuce and wonder why we're falling apart. The fourth killer, and this one's huge, low body temperature. Take your temperature right now. If it's under 98 degrees, you're in trouble. Temperature equals metabolic rate, and metabolic rate equals energy production. Dr. Broda Barnes studied this for 40 years. He found that low body temperature predicted heart disease, diabetes, and cancer better than any blood test. Why? Because it directly measures cellular energy production. When you're cold, enzymes don't work. Chemical reactions slow down. You're literally running in slow motion at the cellular level. So how do we fix this? How do we reignite our cellular furnaces? First, eat saturated fats. Butter, coconut oil, beef tallow. These fats stabilize cell membranes, protect mitochondria, and increase energy production. Yes, the very fats we've been told to avoid. Second, eat adequate carbohydrates. Fruit, honey, milk, potatoes. Pair them with protein. Feed your brain. Support your thyroid. Stop the stress cascade. Third, get your minerals. Sea salt your food. Drink milk for calcium. Eat oysters for zinc and copper. Consider magnesium supplementation. Your cells are crying out for these cofactors. Fourth, support your thyroid. Keep warm. Eat regularly. Avoid excessive exercise without fuel. Some people even benefit from thyroid hormone supplementation. It can be life-changing. Fifth, eliminate PUFAs. Read every label. Cook with butter and coconut oil. It takes 4 years to clear stored PUFAs from your tissues, but the benefits start immediately. Here's what happens when you make these changes. Week 1, you feel warmer. Energy starts returning. Week 2, afternoon crashes disappear, sleep improves. Month 1, mood lifts, weight normalizes, brain fog clears. Month 3, you remember what it feels like to be alive. This isn't alternative medicine, this is fundamental biology. Your cells need specific conditions to produce energy. Provide those conditions, and your body does the rest. The choice is yours. Keep doing what everyone else is doing, restricting, stressing, surviving. Or start feeding your cells what they actually need. Your mitochondria are waiting. Your energy is waiting. Your life is waiting. It's time to flip the switch.